Puron, Meghalaya. It's special and privilege to be here. It's my debut. I'm really thankful to the director and the producers. Special thanks to my friend, director Mesh and Monica, Naresh Kumar Sarpal and Anurag Jain and other actors, co-actors, co-actors with us. And all the musicians from Chennai, my DOP, all my technical crew, and total almost 127 people all over India, they work for this movie. Thank you so much, and it's a very good first show, and I got love from Meghalaya people. So I hope in the coming days they will come and shower their love to us. Thank you so much, and over to Kathy.
Nishubun, people, I play, but New York last improve your kita bagi movie. Sa kawairo nakasay pili na kanyang uli mi kwa ban kat so high pi papinyawan ban support namin ni tangkatahi
हुबली शिलोंग यहाँ की ऑडियंस में बड़ी अच्छी लगी और अच्छा रिएक्शन हमें आज यहाँ के ऑडियंस का मिला और बहुत अच्छा हमने एंजॉय किया आज का दिन। बहुत अच्छा लगा, आपने मूवी देखी, पसंद की और जल्दी ही हम आपके लिए और भी मूवीज़ लाएंगे ऐसी उम्मीद है, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने हमें पसंद किया है और ऐसे ही अपना प्यार हम लोग को देते रहिए। थैंक यू।
Play Fibaro, play cafe team, but the Peit Barok and one peg in the film. They are part of the Peit Barok one peg in the film, and I'm going to even a shy, but she see the long film go internet. They are part of the Peit Barok one, Lishibun. For video and something, they are part of the Peit Barok in one, but I'm in same.
Lishibun, if you were up, the father, you're up at Bat, or somehow one, the Kubi, they were one pet piano film. They were one pet pee, Danang MCP or Dalan Lajo is mat time CP or Dang Doyabi any acting I got them the super baggy film or projects. Let's go if you're up.